Want to be amazed? Take a look at a big natural data set. For example, the population of every county in the US. If you look at all 3,000 plus values, you'll find that the first digit is 1 about 30% of the time. The first digit is 2, 18% of the time, and 9 only about 5% of the time. 1 shows up as the first digit about 6 times as much as 9. What? This is called Benford's law. The probability of first digit D is equal to the log, base 10, of 1 plus 1 over D. Benford's law actually has practical applications for business, because it's also true for many data sets such as company financial statements. To show this, I've taken all the values from Apple's financials for every quarter over the past 10 years. And you can see it's a pretty good fit. Why does this happen? One explanation is that when random numbers are multiplied, divided, or raised to powers, the first digits move toward this log distribution. This certainly applies to financial data, as most of it goes through many mathematical operations. To demonstrate this, I started with 1,000 random numbers from 0 to 100. As you can see, the first digits are pretty evenly distributed from 1 to 9. Let's square each number, and you can see the distribution change. Then divide each by another random number from 0 to 100. And we're getting closer. Now multiply by another random number. After 3 simple operations, the first digits of our 1,000 numbers look really close to the Benford distribution. You can imagine how a forensic accountant might be able to use Benford's law to identify some red flags. When people make up numbers, they typically don't fit this distribution. If you're planning to commit fraud, Benford's law is something you definitely need to know.